What's next for Aerosmith?
What's next for Aerosmith?
So what's next for Aerosmith?
I don't know what's next.
That's one of the greatest things about being in this band. You never know.
Our agenda never really changes that much.
Gonna do what we always do. We just pretty much finished touring for quite a while, and we sit around for a little while and go, now what?
When are we going to be on the road? When are we going to be in the studio again? We just did a lot of touring this year.
Time to make a record. Yeah, the next big thing we're going to do is do a studio record. You know, we haven't done one in a while.
We really want to make a great record. I mean, we don't want to put anything out there that we're not proud of, or that we won't be proud of in 5 or 10 years.
Yeah, we're going to go back and make a kind of or attempt to make sort of an old school rock and roll record, kind of the way we used to do it. See if we can actually remember what that was. But we're due for a studio record, and we're really looking forward to that.
We just keep riding. And so I'm not quite sure what's next. The Lounge Act on the Shovel. We got one more record with Sony, and then after that, it's internet time. And it's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
All right. Take it easy.